minus 1. Solve this. You will get 4 minus 1, 4 plus 1 minus 2 upon 2. That is 3 by 2. That is the required answer. Next, if a plus b equals to 90, then find tan a tan b plus tan a cot b the whole upon sin a sec b minus sin square b upon cos square a. Okay, let's start to solve now. Tan a means what? Sin a upon cos a. Tan b sin b upon cos b plus tan a again sin a upon cos a. Cot b is reverse of tan. Always remember this basic. Cosec equals to 1 upon sin. Sec equals to 1 upon cos and cot equals to 1 upon tan. It means these are the reverse. Reverse of sin is cosec. Reverse of cos is sec. Reverse of tan is cot. So tan equals to sin upon cos. So cot will be cos upon sin. Sec is reverse of cos. Cos is so sec will be 1 upon cos, right? So write them. Take sin a upon cos a common. So inside the bracket it is sin square b plus cos square b upon sin b cos b. Why? Because in the denominators we have one cos b and one sin b. We have to join them. So make the denominators same. So sin b cross multiply sin b into sin b, cos b into cos b. It becomes this. But sin square b plus cos square b is what? 1. Always remember these three basics. Because you are in introduction phase, that's why only these three. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Okay. So what we get? See this. Sin theta upon cos theta into, now this below sin theta upon sin a upon cos b will bring it up. So what it becomes? Cos b upon sin a. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.